All right, this is the Canon EOS R mirrorless camera, and it takes SD cards, not micro SD, but regular SD cards. And so I've purchased a Samsung 128 gigabyte SD card. And I'm going to show you how to put it into this camera. First of all, find the grip, turn the camera over. You're going to find a door. You just have to put your thumb on it, push down on this, and the door should open for you. Bam. If you rotate the camera, you'll notice that there's a slot right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your SD card and you're going to put the gold down facing you into that little slot there, and then you're going to push it in. Now you're going to have to put a little bit of force on it. You can see how it's springy right there. I just push it down just like that. And then if I want to get it out, I can do it like that. So in, out, right? Pull her out. This is the way it goes in, just like that. Push, then you just close your door and you're ready to shoot. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this Canon EOS R mirrorless camera. Peace out.